Spartan School of Aeronautics was the right capacity of teaching not only mechanics, but also pilots. When I finished my course, I went ahead and got my A&P right out of there. In every sense, I can attest that that base teaching, schooling that I was given have been culprit of my career. More than 42 years as an aviation maintenance technician. Good afternoon, my name is Santiago Rodriguez. I'm a former student of Spartan School of Aeronautics. I'm a director of maintenance for a small aviation company. I started in aviation when I was in the military. The Spartan School of Aeronautics helped me out develop my skills. It's a great career, 42 years in this career, and I keep loving it. It's a career that you need to be focused, but it makes you proud of what you do because of the safety that you always have to be focused on. Being proud and walking away knowing that that aircraft is departing, it's got my signature on it, I know it's safe to operate and to transport people from point A to point B. I love it. I love it, every minute of it, every year of it, and it's just been great. I'm really glad that I went to Spartan, and I'm glad that it's still around, training not only mechanics but also pilots, and I'm very proud of it.